Hi everyone, my name is Duncan. Today, I'd like to share something about research through design. Research through design is a way to materialize knowledge and insight. It's often used in master's lessons and research projects. I will be sharing knowledge from the Interaction Design Foundation and other books. Let's get started. And this is the content. And first, we can introduce definitions. And next is what is RTD. And we take a three parts to talk about this and research, through, and design. RTD use design to explore and solve problems. The search and design happen often by the same person or team, and this integrated approach is central to RTD. And next is example. Present some examples of RTD project which illustrate the idea above. And next is technology. In research through design (RTD), design researchers use design methods and explore the inequality of knowledge contributions from design experimentation. The last one is conclusions. Summary and confirmation of potential future directions. Research through design, or RTD, is something people in design-related fields use all the time. They just might not realize it's called RTD. Before we dive into RTD, let me introduce three kinds of design research. First is research for design. Next is research into design. And last one is research through design. Research for design. This is about gathering information before starting a design project. The goal is to make good design decisions. Most design research outside academia, such as in commercial product development, falls under this category. Research into design. This is about studying design itself, knowing about how it works and how it's done. Much of this type of research happens in academia, where scholars from fields like psychology, anthropology, education, and history explore design and creative processes. Research through design. This is our main topic. It's a type of academic research where design becomes a method for learning and discovery. The goal is to share the knowledge gained through reports, publications, and other formats. In academia, written research plays a key role, just as designers are judged by their portfolios. Academics are judged by their publications. When design was named as RTD, it gave designers a way to get academic precision. Examples from various books include experimenting with metal to create different shapes and colors, or using a photocopier to produce new kind of illustrations. Let me share three examples of RTD that highlight its diverse method for exploration, description, and evaluation. Westfield alarm clock. Westfield explored whether emotions could be integrated into interactions design during his PhD. He created an alarm clock with 12 sliders on its interface. Users could move the sliders with both hands to set the emotions of the alarm. The prototype records how the sliders move over time, capturing user gestures. In summary, knowledge was generated through experimental design, and the findings were shared through Westfield's PhD lessons and academic publications. We find visual documentation was also a key part of the process. The Wright brothers airplane. The Wright brothers are famous for inventing the airplane, described in their patent as a heavier-than-air flying machine. Their work predates modern design schools by over a century, but we include them because they finish challenges in ways similar to RTD. Gaver's draft table. The draft table is a coffee table with a small window displaying an aerial view of the landscape. By shifting weight on the table, users can change the view's height, directions, and speed. This project produced new insight into how digital technologies can enrich the home environment and inspire principles for playful design. Next, I will introduce some tools commonly used in RTD. Prototype. Artifact used in research to demonstrate the interaction being studied. Artifact. Objects created during the design process. Knowledge. Insights about the world that can be shared with others. Experiment. Specific stands for controlled research to test hypotheses, and general stands for explorative encounters with real-world situations. And you can look the picture. In RTD, designers reflect on and discuss the artifacts they create, including how they were made and evaluated. These artifacts include prototypes and sketches, many of which might end up discarded. Other designers and researchers use this knowledge to create new ideas or bring societal impact. The future of RTD lies in embracing the creativity generated by diverse perspectives. What matters is not the artifact themselves, but how they move forward, helping us pose the new question, design new experiments, and build a more comprehensive discourse. Through this course, I learned how to apply AI, observe, and collect data using a hands-on approach. The most memorable experience was visiting Yadong Hospital, where I observed real-world problems, took quick notes, and sketched, created a prototype in a short time. This greatly advanced my research future. Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.